Have you ever wanted to learn how to meditate? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you a quick and easy way on how to meditate for beginners. As well, stay tuned to the end because I have a free download for you on some other amazing techniques of mindfulness that go beyond meditation. I'm Adriana Girdler. I'm president of Cornerstone Dynamics and I'm a productivity expert. I'm also a huge believer in mindfulness and meditation, and I've been practicing meditation for over 15 years. Mindfulness and meditation is highly transformative and very powerful, and I highly recommend it. But if you need more convincing, please check out my links below underneath this video because I have some really cool resources that you can go to. As well, check out some videos that I created about the benefits of mindfulness and why you should be doing it. But in this video, we are going to focus on the how. Where to meditate? This is a really good question. Well, the cool thing about meditation is you can meditate anywhere, inside, outside. But for you, a beginner, I highly recommend that you find a place where it is quiet, free of distractions. So if that's being inside and it's in a specific room where you can shut the door, then that's where you meditate. Again, this is a lifelong practice, so start yourself on the right foot. Find a quiet spot so that you can focus on meditating. What to do with your body when meditating? Well, there's many ways to meditate. You can do a traditional meditation, which is sitting on the floor, cross-legged, yogi style. You can meditate lying down. You can also meditate on a meditation pillow. This is my personal favorite, which I love. You can do it kneeling, but I'm gonna throw this back at you, Heather. But the way I recommend it for you as a beginner is a chair. A chair is a nice, easy way and very simple for you to start out this meditation practice. So how is it that you're going to use the chair? Well, let me walk you through this. Ensure your chair has a straight back and you're sitting up straight. Your head ought to be centered and straight. It shouldn't be falling back or forward. Close your eyes. This is really important for focusing. Your hands, they can be relaxed on your lap. You can also clasp them if you like, but you don't have to do the traditional index finger to thumb pointing. Your legs should be uncrossed and your feet planted on the floor. This helps with grounding. The key is to be relaxed, but not so much so where you want to fall asleep. This position that you're seeing right now is ideal for beginners. Super easy, allows you to be comfortable for the amount of time that you plan to be meditating. What to do with your mind when you're meditating? I get asked this question a lot, and from beginner meditators, they're always saying, my mind is racing a mile a minute. Well, yeah, you're a beginner. Like everything, you're learning. First and foremost, don't have judgment around this. Every single one of us has had our mind race, whether you're a beginner meditator or even an experienced meditator. The key is, how do you deal with it? And this is what I want to share with you, is the best way to clear your mind is to focus on breath. Breath is a really nice technique, and I would like to walk you through what that looks like. So you're now sitting in your chair comfortably, you're relaxed, but you also have alertness. Again, we don't want to fall asleep. Focus on your breath right now. Notice how it feels to breathe in and breathe out. Try counting slowly, 4 breaths in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 breaths out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really focus on this rhythm. This rhythm will really help you stay in the present moment. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Again, don't have judgment. Just relax. Things will pop in, like my grocery list or a scenario that you had to deal with family, friends, or work. You're probably going to try to figure out and solve a problem. That's all part of the process. It's teaching yourself how to let go and don't judge it. Our minds naturally are busy, and like everything else when we're doing something new, we have to train ourselves to relax and let go. How long ought you meditate for? Start off with 5 minutes a day. You're a beginner, and that's a really lovely way to do it. Now your mind's gonna wander, so I recommend highly you get a timer and you put the timer on so you're not wondering how much time you have left. Because when you're first starting off, a few seconds may feel like a few hours. So again, don't judge it, relax, focus on your breath. 5 minutes a day is all that you need to do. Do it every day, because the more you do it and the more you practice it, the easier it will be. And as you get better, you can increase your times in 5-minute increments. So go from 5 to 10 to 15 to 20. Fit in whatever you can, but do it every day. Don't forget to download my additional mindfulness techniques that go beyond meditating. I highly recommend them, particularly if you're still a little bit wondering whether or not you should try actual meditation. There's a lot of other things you can do besides that and get some additional benefits as well. On that note, if you were inspired by this video, please write in the comments below, I'm gonna try it. If you could subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends, I would be greatly appreciated. You have a fantastic day. Namaste. And till the next video, see ya.